We have three panels in our side. Okay, so this is, for example, this panel 1, panel 2, panel 3. Okay, this is panel 1, this is main panel, for example, it's a terminal node. Okay, this is panel number 2, this is panel number 3. Okay, for the wiring we have a loop system over here. Okay, this is panel number 1, we have 4 loops. Panel number 2, we have 4 loops. So this panel, loop 1, loop 2, loop 3, loop 4, and for this loop panel itself, loop 1, loop 2, loop 3, loop 4. Okay. So what we will see, loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Again, I am telling you, for this panel itself, loop 1, loop 2, loop 3, loop 4. Right. For our labelings and as per the metrics and drawing, this is loop number 5, 6, 7, 8. And for itself, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it means if the panel gives you the indication, if there is a fire panel number 2, loop number 1. So where is actually fire?
Number 5.
Loop number 5. You are understanding. Okay, this is the network. Again, come to the loop. For example, this is a loop. So this cable is going to the first device. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. From the last device, it returns back to the panel. Okay. So this is a complete loop. Here it's complicated. It's tell you the T breaker and spark loop. Okay. We have not installed the spark loop. We are using this simple loop. Okay. In the loop, there are smoke detector, heat detectors, sounders, MCB, manual control point, and interface module in the same loop. All input and output devices in the same loop, and sounder also. I am telling you again, sounder, there is no separate cable for the sounder. There is no separate wiring for the sounder. So sounders are loop devices over here. Okay, and we have two repeaters. Repeaters, which is the guard house 1 and guard house 1.
One single loop, this system fully interconnected, huh? This system,
yeah.
One single loop.
Yes.
Every single loop, it was interconnected.
Yeah, we have access for example, this device. This is device number, for example, 10.
Mm-hmm.
So we can access from this panel also.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm. And even we can see this the fault and fires for this panel in this panel, because our 3 panels are networked.
Interconnected. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Generic, can you explain each device?
Okay.
What we used?
For example, let's start from here. Okay, the first device. This is S square sensor sounder. This is mostly we use in hoteling. Okay, here we have not installed because there is no need for the sounder sensor. The next, there is a beam.
Transmitter.
Okay, for the beams we have 2 parts: the transmitter and the receiver. Both should be the opposite. Okay, but in the same level. Okay, for example, this beam transmitter. Mostly we have write in the labels beams TX. Okay? Beam receiver which have the black color. Transmitter have the red color. Okay, beam receiver we said this beam RX. Okay, so both should be in the same level. Okay. So the transmitter of course it transmits the signal, and the receiver it receives the signal. If the transmitter is sending the signal and a receiver is receiving 100% signal, so it means the environment is a clear. There is no any fire or any dust or anything. Okay, so it gives you a normal condition. When there is cut in the signal, 50%. For example.
So the transmitter and receiver depend upon the atmosphere, right?
Yeah, this is for the.
That's why.
Of course, look, if there is a fire, smoke. Okay. Of course, fire it create smoke.
Yes, right.
So smoke it cut the signal.
Okay, fine.
If the 50% signal cut, so it means the receiver receive how many?
So
50% it receive. When he receive 50%.